Hello everyone, welcome back to Blissful Tarot. So today's reading is going to be about what is their next action towards you. And there is no time limit on this video. This is a timeless, so you can watch this anytime you feel drawn to any pile you have seen on the thumbnail. So today it's going to be a short reading again, and there are four piles to choose from. You can choose more than one, and if it doesn't resonate, it's fine. Maybe the time is not right for you. Maybe your message isn't here in this video. So I'm going to begin with pile number one. Okay, hello, pile number one. Let's see what is their next action towards you, the person on your mind. You're the only pile who got four cards. I intended to get only three cards, but okay. With Six of Hearts, I can see you're going to receive something in the form of love. It can be tangible, or it can be an emotional support from someone from whom you have been longing for long. So if you're felt alone, I think you'll find someone with whom you feel you are supported, especially emotionally. And maybe you are adopting a pet, or someone is going to gift you a dog, so something emotionally supportive is coming towards you. Good things are you're going to receive from that person. And what is the next action? Yeah, maybe the person on your mind is going to gift you something, or they're going to be there for you if you have some important event. Maybe they've never been there for you, and they're gonna be there for the first time, and it can be unexpected. Yes. And what is the next action? Someone is going to pray for you. I don't know why. Someone is going to pray for you. And if you have been worrying about finances, and some financial support is coming for you, like if you got a job in another location and it's been tough for you to relocate financial wise, I think someone is willing to sponsor for you, or someone will support you. Since you're new to the town, you might find a good person to guide you over. So next action, that can be an action from someone. um, what can you expect? So these are the multiple messages I've got. So someone is also getting into spirituality, um, or they just got an interest on spirituality. Someone is going to explore their emotional side. Someone is going to be vulnerable to you. Someone is going to open up to you. Yeah. Yes, so that's it, pile number one. That is what I received for you. Hope it resonated. Thank you so much for being here. Do like and subscribe. Thank you. So we're gonna move on to pile number two. Hello, pile number two. Let's see what is their next action. I might get multiple messages, so be open to all of them. Okay, Five of Wands. Tough competition. You're fighting for something, a position, or um, or a person. You're trying to let yourself know to someone, or you're trying to be seen. Someone is going to fight for your attention. Yeah, you're trying to be seen, and that will happen. Or if you have been thinking about a crush, maybe your crush will notice you. And yes, it has been tough for you, and I think finally they will notice you. If Yeah, I know most of you will be inquiring in romantic scenarios, so I'm trying to stick on to that. But there is an announcement coming for you, or someone is going to gift you something, some asset. It's not a gift for like accessories, it's an asset. Someone is going to write a will under your name. So, and this is destined for you. It's not out of force. It's something destined to you. It can be ancestral, or it can be from your family. Someone is willing to give an asset to you, some announcement. So I'm getting most for work. I'm seeing for something romantic wise. Um, if you had someone in mind, hmm, I do see you rejecting someone else for the person in your mind. Yeah, I do see you turning down an offer. And some people are going to choose to be single even though you have an offer. That's another message. And I do see you purchasing a home for some people. For some people, it might be a gift. For some, you would be able to get a loan and get yourself a house. Um, most of you are choosing an action that gives you more peace. Like you have seen a lot of struggles and dramas, and you're trying to be at peace. Something that's going to be really easy. You have struggled a lot, or fighting for a position, a lot of fights, and a lot of um, you want yourself to be seen through the eyes of the person that is on your mind. Hmm. Do I get anything else? I do feel like there's one more message. Trying to pick that up. Hmm. Be aware of the people that you're have a suspicion on. Yeah. If you're dealing something legally, make sure you do have a, a police support. Yeah. What is the next action? Please have protection in any legal matters. So most of you, there will be a text you will be receiving. Yeah, I do see a text or an email. Um, yeah, I think that's all. That's all. Pile number 2. Hope the messages resonated. Yes, thank you. Please like and subscribe. So moving on to pile number 3. What is your next action? The person on your mind, and I might get messages outside the topic because if it's meant to be heard for people, hope the message finds you. Oh, such a happy pile. Okay, I already do. Someone is going to ask you out, definitely. With the Four of Wands, they're not just going to ask you out; they're going to ask you out for a marriage proposal. Yeah, it's beyond just dating. So the proposal is going to be a confession or asking to marry. It's going to be so romantic. Yeah. And this conversation might happen at late night. Yeah. This person is stable, and they have just gained their confidence to ask you out. So make sure you have a good conversation. And I do feel like you need more information about this person, so it's necessary for you to be patient enough to ask them, um, like have a deep conversation with them, and this is going to be their next action towards you. And and they might ask you out for a trip, like just for fun, uh, a time together, something like that. It's such a happy pile. I wish I got this. Any other messages? So they do see this as a big step, and for them it's a huge step, because they are coming out of their own insecurities. Because I know they have been stopping themselves or just been giving clues so that you will take action towards them, but finally they are finding the courage to come towards you. And if you are someone who is thinking to ask them out, I think this is a yes, you can, and they will be ready to accept and have a good conversation before things move too fast. Such a happy pile. So this is the message I received. Thank you so much. Pile number 3. Like and subscribe. So moving on to pile number 4. We received the 6 of Wands. Okay. The tower. Ooh. Hmm. I hope you could see. Um, you're going to the next level. I'm hearing like you're raising your standards. I do feel like you're just stepping up your game, be it by business, be it in your career, be it in your romantic sense. And if you've been waiting on someone, I think they're going to make their next move. They're going to ask you out for a date. I don't see in a long term for just for a date, not like they're going to ask you out to marry them, but it's going to be unexpected. And this might happen when on a day where you're just under attention. It's going to be a busy day and they're going to come out of nowhere. So the proposal might be the one thing that's going to calm you down on that day, and it's going to be unexpected, and you'll be really busy on that day, or angry, or you might be angry on them. For many of you, this might be a reunion or a union for a twin flame, and this is something destined. um, they're fine. I feel like they're finally coming back after a misunderstanding, or after knowing that you're not gonna keep waiting for them, and they realize that they cannot live without you, and they're gonna come back to you. And the Six of Wands is about victory, and I think it's going to be a good union, and things will move forward. I don't see any marriage right now, but I do see the person on your mind is going to take it a step ahead. Baby steps. Both of you are going to take the baby steps at your own pace. You're going to discuss and have a this is something healthy only if you guys have a good communication. And so the spirit advice is that make sure you be completely honest. If you don't like something, just tell them and they will understand. So don't pretend to be don't pretend to like something so that you would not hurt them. If you don't like something, just tell them. I think you have to be honest. If not, this relationship may not lead to the long term. That's what I'm getting. And they would really appreciate the honesty that you show towards the relationship. So 3 and 4 are such a good pile for now. Thank you so much for watching pile number 4. Like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys next time.